I don't know if I'm gonna post this first, but this is gonna be the beginning of the exploring video. Yeah. You'll hear more about it in a second, but before this we filmed the moto vlog, and it did not work at all.
Man, there's gonna be so many people taking the bikes right now.
Yeah, we're at Wyatt's mom's house, so we don't have the Raz and all that fun stuff. So we had a little electric bikes, or dirt bikes or whatever.
Land ho! Fire pit.
Is this someone's backyard? Oh yeah. Oh, what's she doing? What's she doing, Connor? We should do that.
You can go up there.
Yeah, we got time. We still got 29%.
This way. We'll just put the bike to the top of the trail.
Off-road. This should be the thumbnail. Here, Connor, get in front of me.
Hold on, what are we doing here?
We're going, keep going.
No. Get it, Danger Dad. Hopefully.
There's actually some cool stuff down here. There's like a fire pit, probably some mesh heroin. I've ridden that yellow one too, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you get up the hill?
I pushed it. Yeah, if you're like a fire pit, it's a good one.
Ooh. Is this a slide?
Yeah.
Who threw away their... What?
That's a good slide, dude.
Yeah, like it's like the entire set.
Except the walls and stairs. And...
Yeah, it's all over there, look. Three boys on one log.
Hey.
Urban explorers with the motor boys. The motor boys actually have changed their channel. We're gonna do urban exploring videos. Yeah, motor boys exploring. MBE. We're gonna explore.
New intro.
We're gonna
Actually make it this video.
We're going to do we're gonna explore the woods, and we're gonna try and find abandoned places.
Yo, we should. Oh, look at that.
I found a bonfire Ruma.
Dude, is that a barn find? We actually might do a series now called Motor Boys Exploring. Look at that!
We gotta come across here.
Waterfall. I want to go down there, but then I wouldn't be able to get back up.
Yeah, exactly. The power of the cooler.
Let's keep walking because it's Motor Boys Exploring. And keep kicking it.
There's a rope here, so if somebody really wants to pull it back up, they can. Wow,
That was so much fun. Oh.
Check it out. We found a bottle.
What did we find, Connor?
A bottle.
Where?
Shut up. Hold on, throw some sticks into the ice. I found one. I'm throwing it though. Stick.
That was exciting. That could probably hold us up right there.
Jump in. Yeah, right.
Hey, you want to get frostbite? Jump right in. If you're gonna jump in, bring the GoPro so you get some good clickbait.
Hey, I'll give you $1 if you go on that log and stand all the way out there.
I will.
No. All the way out there?
All the way.
No, like, not, you can't go through the tree.
You can.
No.
Hold on to the tree.
Go past the tree.
Wow. That's...
Why? You were actually dumb. Connor, are you actually gonna pay him $1 for this?
No, I want more than $1. It's only $20. Look at me, Dad. I made it.
That's as close as he can get before it's gonna break. He's already above the water, Connor. What more do you want? These are not good exploring shoes. They're all muddy, look at that.
Climb trees more than you think.
Dude's shaking the entire thing. Who wants to keep walking?
Nothing to walk to, but
Exactly, but we're urban explorers now, okay?
Gotta walk as far as humanly possible. Land home! What a fire pit.
Is this someone's backyard?
Yeah. We're not in it right now. But right there it is. So
it's just that person's back.
it's a treehouse.
That's cool. All right, dang it. We're not done. So we got 18%, something like that. 17%.
Oh, if we didn't leave the bikes there, we could just get home from here. Like right down
Well, we left the bikes there, so. Oh shoot, I got a couple of those in my leg. I totally didn't even notice that.
Hardcore, extreme! Get this in. Hey, Connor!
Ow! Why do you not care about those glasses? It's a baseball. Throw it in the ice. Throw it in the ice. Oh, that's hard ice. Or he just hit it in a really bad spot.
So got some Connor muscle right there.
I think I just hit it in a bad spot.
It's not so freaking wet.
Oh.
AIDS on these woods.
That's solid.
Whoa, I just fell into you.
That's really solid ice for how like thin it is at the edge. There's ice at the bottom of it.
Don't come for it. Is it really that heavy, Connor?
No.
You suck.
It sounded like.
You get one good piece of wood and you screw it up.
I'm sorry.
Ah.
The trash that people have left. Huh, I wonder if people have been here before.
Hope you guys enjoyed this exploring
Make an
video.
outro for the
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys should like and subscribe and stuff. Which video is this going to be outro for?
The exploration.
Oh yeah. Hope you guys like our new series for the exploring stuff.
Urban Explorers. We're top notch.
Yes. See you guys there. Have fun. We got some new videos coming out soon.
Bye bye.